You're on Garrett's food review right now. That's Garrett.
What's his name?
Garrett.
Hi, Garrett.
Alright, we're in New York right now. You already know. Garrett got the shorts on.
Yeah, I got.
It's like 30 degrees. It's about to snow later.
Yeah.
How are we feeling?
Tired but good.
Today, the main goal for today is to see the Ock. Right, go there right now, but we don't know. Garrett loves trains. What do you like so much about trains?
What would I like to know about trains?
What do you like about trains?
Everything about them.
What kind of train we about to get on?
I don't know. Let's find out. I'm actually excited.
If you could ride on any train in the world, what train would you ride on?
R32.
What's that?
They don't really run anymore. It's like these old time trains. They're not really old time, but they're like.
Putting off 2 hours of sleep. We're about to go see the Ock. He probably won't be there, but.
Nah, he's gonna be there. He's gonna be there.
How you feel about this subway?
Good one. R132. Average train.
This boy is asleep. It's 8:45. It's gonna be open, but like he should be there.
Look at this beautiful masterpiece. Everyone makes fun of me for trains, but I mean, like, when you get views like this, a nice rainy day in New York with my pal Sam. Yeah. Okay, rumor has it that General Ock's gonna be here, just as a little late, so we're gonna start looking around what we're gonna put on our bacon, egg, and cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese.
All right.
Mozzarella sticks. Bacon on Cheetos, also honey buns.
You guys, what the Ock store is like here, it's pretty much, it's not like a huge store, but it's like, it's pretty chill. They got a lot of stuff.
The Big Boy Club, it's a common club known. Consists of me, Sam, and Graham.
He's the captain now.
I'm the captain of the Big Boy Club, for obvious reasons.
Check the calories, bro.
Sad, man.
We're still waiting. It is 9:40. I don't know when we got here. Can't back out now, though.
Yes, sir, man. I'll help you today.
Can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese with flaming hot Cheetos and mozzarella sticks on honey buns the Aki way?
Sure, sure.
He's working in progress back there.
You already know we about to do it the Aki way.
Yes.
Where you from, by the way?
Oh, we're from Baltimore.
Baltimore?
Yeah, I came all the way just for you.
Where my brother-in-law at?
Oh, for real?
So in Baltimore, they don't do the Aki way over there?
Nah, they don't.
They be like, what? What do you say, huh? You know we gotta season it up a little bit. Can't forget your bevs.
Never, never, never.
Yo, what's the bev, Garrett?
Arizona mucho mango.
Woo.
Everything's ready now. We put it on top of the honey bun. Anything else on?
That's all.
Oh.
Now we wrap it up. No sharing, guys. And the result is OMG.
Can't forget the bev.
Never, never, never. Now we serve it to the customer. Here you go, man.
Thank you. Time we've been waiting for.
Let me, hey, let me
Look
get
at
the
that.
Let me, hold up, let me focus it. Let me focus.
Oh, he got tin foil.
You got the tin foil. Really? Really? Ooh.
This is fire.
Special guest food review. We got the Big Boy Club.
Oh my.
This is insane. Just it's like childhood dreams.
Mm.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is so good.
Oh wow.
It's hot.
This hot.
I know.
It's so good.
No, I know. This is really
It's
good.
so good.
This is like
You want
insane.
a bite of this one? This one's a little cleaner.
Whoa.
Guys, this is insane.
It works perfectly together.
So good.
This is actually a really good combo.
Garrett, that best combo.
This is a
bro.
really good combo.
Out of 10.
like a 9.5.
Quality.
What does it taste like?
Mango paradise.
You like it? Garrett in his element.
It's a pizza, it's a pie.
It's a pizza, it's a pie.
Oh! I should bring chapstick. Low key.
Dude, you're fine.
Nah, low key.
Pretty boy.
Low key.
Pretty boy.
Low key.
Alright, pretty boy. Alright, so we are at 5th Avenue, and actually, we're somewhere on 5th Avenue, I think like 59th and 5th Avenue. Had to stop and get a hot dog with ketchup and mustard. So we're gonna try that right now.
What?
Oh yeah, we just found some random staircase.
It looks like Goes to Heaven.
Yeah, so we're kind of filming now.
That's it. That's where you got the hot dog from.
Yeah. Interesting choice of spicy mustard. But other than that, pretty good. I'm gonna give it like a, I don't like spicy mustard that much. It's maybe like a 7.6. No, hot dog. Good New York Street hot dog.
One bite, one bite.
Yeah.
Yeah. This boy bouncing up and down. Midday nap time. Good night, Garrett. Hey.
Hit it.
Hey. Good night, Wham. We're waiting for Sam to finish his shower, and me and Garrett are gonna prank him. We're gonna try to not talk. I low-key don't think he'll even notice. He's kind of slow, but we're just gonna keep the camera rolling for like an hour and just like not say anything when we go to get our pizza.
Feel good? I feel great. You good? You feel good? Anyone want chapstick? What was the final rating? 9.4? 3.0? Why are you not saying shit? This table's outside. Oh, they want it. You want to talk? Guys, can you guys just... You want to talk during dinner?
H2O. Beat H2O.
Especially like the DJ company was owned by her family friend, and that she doesn't think that she was saying like.
I'm sorry,
Oh,
Sam.
He's sad.
Sam?
I'm not sad. I just don't. Dude, are you okay? What do you mean? Are you okay? Why are you acting like this?
Because you guys aren't talking to me.
Why are you acting like
You
this?
aren't talking to me.
Why?
Why are you acting like this?
But it's like so obvious.
Sam was really all quiet.
Yeah, bro. You're acting really awkward and weird and stuff. Get pranked, Sam.
What's the
What's the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok. Guys.
Garrett's been hyping this up all week, ever since we decided to go to New York. So it better be good. 9 slices in one sitting?
Yep. 9.
Like, what was going on that one time?
I mean, it just like, it was there for the taking and I took it. We right outside of John's Oblique right now. About to go in. Get ready. I mean, guys. Guys, this is like a 9.8.
This guy's speechless.
It's just got everything good. Like everything from the crust to the cheese to the pepperoni is amazing.
Oh, first of all, sauce is incredible. Alright, but I love the sauce. So, but then the cheese is really good. Like it's really good cheese. And then the crust, I mean, it's just great crust. Overall, 9.6. We better leave.
So we just demolished this pizza, and we are now about to head out.
Psych, we back for more.
It's so good, still.
It's good. It's really good. Water quality too.
Guys, just for, I don't know why, this water's just insane. Like, this is actually just randomly, like, one of the best waters ever.
Hey, Garrett. Times Square review right now. Yes, we're out here. It's pretty sick.
Before me and Peter played, I just smacked Garrett 5-0, so it's 5-0 and 5-1, and then this is the losers round. Oh, you suck!
Oh my God, you're terrible. He's terrible. You never play again. Just quit right now.
1-1.
Oh, he's terrible.
2-2. 2-2. This is the worst game ever.
Oh, here they go.
Didn't go in. Five, 4.
Hey, I ain't losing.
Game point.
You just lost.
Golazo. What do you gotta say?
I gotta say, I never lose. I'll never lose again. Garrett's the worst player. He should just quit the game right now.
I did just quit.
Yeah, you already know. We're kind of finishing out the night right now. When I copped ourselves some new clothes. Alright, so we're calling people, but the person who's calling them has headphones in, so I can't hear anything. And so the other two people have to direct them to say what they're saying.
Hey, BB. How you doing, BB? How you doing, BB?
What?
How you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, you want to order Papa John's to our hotel?
No.
But yo, you watching hoops right now? You watching hoops? Did you see the Duke game?
A little bit. I was on a plane now. I couldn't really watch.
Oh, you traveling anywhere for spring break, BB?
Wait, say that again?
You going to New York. You coming to New York?
Yeah, I'll be there. Don't worry, I'll be there. Where? Are you in the hotel? Where are you?
Yeah.
I'm so confused. I just hear all of you laughing. Have
Alright, BB. Bye, BB.
fun.
Was that good? He was a good one.
Oh, that was so funny. All right, what are we gonna do next?
Disclaimer.
Oh, Tess.
Is he here? No.
Tess. Hi.
What's up?
What's up?
Hi. What are you doing?
Yeah. Yeah, we play football. We threw. Yeah.
What? Wait,
Oh yeah, we're in New York right now. We in New York. How are you?
here.
Why are you mad?
What's so funny about?
No, you. I don't know.
Peter, what? Peter, you're so weird around us to Amy. Peter, what are you doing?
Yeah, I saw nothing. I don't know. I was crying. I cried. I cry when I see you.
That was good.
What'd she say?
That was good. Nothing. Like she was just like random stuff. No, you. She was silent for like 10 seconds, and then you go, no, you. She didn't say anything.
Garrett, because you went like that. I didn't know what that was.
That was
Yes, sir, man. Help you today.
Can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese with flaming hot Cheetos and mozzarella sticks on honey buns?
We got the main part.
Oh, I thought you out.